Hello everyone, I'll show you all the recipe of easy cheesy chicken pasta in Indian touch. With minimal ingredients, you'll be able to make this dish. I'll list down the quantity in the description box below. Chicken, cheddar cheese, frozen fresh cream, onion, boiled sweet corn, capsicum and spring onion, garlic, magic masala, cheese cube, butter and boiled pasta. Add butter and olive oil in pan. Add the chopped onion and fry for 3 minutes or till the flavor of raw onions are gone. Then add the garlic and fry for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Add the chicken followed with magic masala. This magic masala will give the pasta its delicious flavor. Cook the chicken well and then add the cheese cubes, followed by boiled pasta. Stir and mix everything. Add all the remaining ingredients. Stir and add salt as required. At last, just add full fat milk and cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Sprinkle with some oregano and chili flakes, and the delicious pasta is ready to munch. Serve warm and let me know if you guys like this recipe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.